Hey guys, this is Danu. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple Kundan bangles for wedding. Before that, it takes few minutes to subscribe, so make sure that you're subscribed, guys. First, I'm taking a diary. You can take any notebooks or exam pad. Then, I'm taking a silk thread. I will add the material list in description, and I'm also adding the Amazon links for the product so that you can easily buy it. Make 20 strands as shown. Make sure that you roll it carefully. Then secure it with a glue. I'm using a fabric glue. Use a scissor to cut it in the center. Our thread strip is ready. Make sure that it's secured in both sides. Now taking a bangle, you can take any plastic or glass bangles. Stick the thread in a bangle with the fabric glue. Now cover the bangle using the thread as shown. In the end, secure it with a glue. Now cut the extra thread and secure it with a glue. I'm going to make other half. Our base is ready. I made 3 other bangles. For this, I'm taking a white Kundan stones. You can go for any other colors, but white is a common color, so you can wear it for all color dresses. That's why I picked it. Again, I'm using a fabric glue to stick the stones. It's very simple and easy to make, so you can easily make it on your own. If you don't have a time to make this all, no worries guys, we got your back. You can place an order through WhatsApp or DM us in Instagram, and also we have an amazing gifts collection. You can check it out in our Instagram page. I will give the link in the description, so go and check it out. Yeah, our Kundan bangles are ready and it's really looking amazing, guys. If you like my videos, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.